Hello everyone, and welcome to Wisdom Waves. I'm Swati Gupta, parenting coach, and your host for this session. Today's episode is something which every mother resonate with. A healthy mom builds a healthy home. We all know how much mother gives her time, her energy, her heart in everything she does for the family. But today we are here to talk about how she can give something to herself, not to others, not to the world, not to children, not to husband, but to herself through the right food, through the smart nutrition choices, through a balanced lifestyle. And what better than Sonam Jain. So we have this amazing special guest. I have known her from I think 15 years now. So she's a renowned dietitian who has transformed the lives of many families with her simple yet practical approach towards food and her lifestyle. So thank you so much, Sonam. Thank you so much, and thank you for coming on Wisdom Waves.
Thank you for inviting me. I'm so looking forward to share the little secrets about how you can be a happy, healthy mother.
How lovely, how lovely. Thank you so much. So I have listed down a few questions for you. So if you don't mind, can we jump into the questions?
Absolutely.
So one thing I keep hearing from moms, which is I think every mom would relate to that. I don't have time. Whether she's a working mom or work from home mom or a homemaker, she does not have time.
Hmm,
But I want to eat better. I want to eat something healthier. So,
hmm,
what is that balance plate approach, and
hmm,
how can these busy moms,
hmm,
whatever they're doing,
hmm,
wherever they are,
hmm,
implement it without overthinking?
hmm. Absolutely. I think the way जिस हिसाब से इतनी fast life हो गई है, whether you're a working mother, work from home, or even a housewife with multiple roles to play,
Yeah.
as a mother, हम अपने आप को बहुत ज्यादा इग्नोर कर देते हैं, राइट?
Mm,
एंड
mm,
जो लेफ्ट ओवर्स होते हैं शायद वो खा लेते हैं या खाते नहीं हैं या ब्लैक कॉफी या चाय को एक मील बना लेते हैं.
mm,
कितनी मदर्स हैं जो शायद नाश्ता ही नहीं करते हैं बिकॉज दे सो बिजी, सुबह बच्चों को, फिर हस्बैंड इन लॉज एंड देन देर ऑफ. What
mm,
is very important is that जब तक आप खुद अपने आप को फिट नहीं रखोगे, you will not be
mm.
able to serve everyone. So
Yeah.
that so the idea is कि जो हम एक क्विक फिक्स बैलेंस प्लेट की बात करें कि आपके प्लेट में क्या जाए. So make
Mm,
sure
mm,
जो भी मील खा रहे हो, whether it is breakfast, lunch or dinner,
mm.
60% vegetables are going in your stomach in any
Yeah.
form.
Wow.
60%. Now this vegetable doesn't have to be boring. It can be cooked in multiple ways, maybe using some
Wow.
pasta sauce, black pepper,
Okay.
steam, Indian style, masala, whatever.
Okay.
60% vegetables, some
Hmm.
carbs. Now this carbs, of course, shouldn't be the white breads, but
Hmm.
maybe it's maybe a multigrain sourdough, right?
Hmm.
Or brown rice, black rice, or
Yeah.
millet rotis, and some
Hmm.
amount of protein. Okay.
Wow. Hmm.
बहुत सारी लेडीज या मॉम्स क्या करती हैं क्योंकि उनको पतला रहना है तो वो कार्ब्स को कंप्लीटली एलिमिनेट कर देती हैं कि अभी हम कीटो डाइट करेंगे, हम ब्रेड नहीं खाएंगे, हम राइस नहीं खाएंगे. उस वजह
Hmm.
से क्या होगा, आप सबसे पहले बैलेंस आउट कर रहे हो, विच मीन्स यू विल एंड अप हैविंग लॉट ऑफ ब्रेन फॉग. So the foremost rule is to design your balance plate. Lot of colors, lots
Yeah.
of vegetables,
Yeah.
some form of carbohydrate is very important, and
Okay.
some protein. Of course, ghee या good fat भी equally जरूरी है.
Okay.
Okay, now this good fat can be through avocado, some peanut butter, ghee,
Hmm.
some form of oil, but it
Yeah.
has to go in your stomach.
Wow.
So
Okay.
simple rule.
Hmm. Hmm. Perfect. Perfect. So when you said avocado is also fat, right?
Yes.
Yeah, how relevant is avocado these days? Because I have heard so many parents. I mean, no, this is one of the questions which I got asked today morning when I was doing that poll. So they were saying that, ma'am, is overuse of avocado a good idea? Like I have avocado almost every day. Is that a good idea?
Oh, no. So if you
No.
will have avocado every single day, you will
Mm-hmm.
end up gaining weight. Your cholesterol will go high. So जो
Okay.
हर चीज अच्छी है उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो आप रोज ले सकते हो या बहुत सारा ले सकते हो. Okay, so let's say I have few clients जो abroad रहते हैं और उनके लिए तो avocado is like very basic. अभी इंडिया में किसी को हम avocado बोलेंगे, it will
हाँ,
also hit their pocket because it's an expensive item.
yes,
बट
yes,
बाहर ये चीज बहुत बेसिक प्राइस पे मिलती है. तो अगर
yes.
आप रोज एवोकाडो खाओगे, वेदर यू आर अंडर वेट, ओवर वेट,
Hmm.
your fat percentage will go high because it's a high calorie product. Okay, so it
Yeah.
has to be consumed in a balanced form at the max twice a week. At the max. That
Wow.
is also if you're active women. If you have a completely sedentary lifestyle, you don't need it. Okay, you
Okay.
will end up gaining weight. You might just have it because you like it for taste. But अगर आप
Hmm.
उसको सेहत के हिसाब से रोज कंज्यूम कर रहे हो, don't do that.
Hmm.
इट्स अ
Hmm.
वेरी बिग मिथ, अभी इतना एवोकाडो, अभी पिछले 7-8 साल में इतना ज्यादा एवोकाडो आ गया. व्हेन वी वर ग्रोइंग, हम तो कभी एवोकाडो नहीं खाते थे,
Correct.
राइट?
Correct.
अभी
Absolutely.
द राइट, सो आई वाज आल्सो, आई गिव यू अ वेरी क्लासिक एग्जांपल. यू गो टू अ कैफेटेरिया, आपने एक 7 ग्रेन मल्टीग्रेन ब्रेड विद एवोकाडो ऑर्डर करी. ओके,
Correct. हाँ. हाँ.
उसका कैलोरी इज
Hmm.
वे हायर देन मे बी 2 slices ऑफ थिन crust पिज्जा.
Wow. Wow.
बिकॉज 7 ग्रेन में ग्रेन्स का कैलोरी, सीड्स का कैलोरी, ब्रेड का कैलोरी, एवोकाडो का कैलोरी. वेयर एज
Right.
थिन क्रस्ट बेस में सिंपल थिन क्रस्ट विद मोर वेजिटेबल्स एंड लिटिल चीज. सो
हाँ.
चीज में फैट परसेंटेज इज लेस देन एवोकाडो.
हाँ. हाँ.
सो यू हैव
Wow.
टू बी वेरी माइंडफुल, नॉट कि जो दिख रहा है बस वो ब्लाइंडली फॉलो करने लगो.
मतलब you're not even using your brains that how things are working. Even मतलब why is it surprising and why that women ask? So she said, "Ma'am, we went to Haldiram. Over there also we had a complete avocado meal." So
Yeah, yeah,
I was laughing away to
yeah.
glory. And actually, she was right what she said because they have actually a full course
Yeah,
meal for these things.
Chayo's introduced avocado on toast a couple of months back. I mean, because see क्या होता है ना, एक ट्रेंड चलता है, तो उनको
हाँ.
पता है कंज्यूमर वांट्स टू ईट दिस बिकॉज एक
Yes.
ट्रेंड चल गया है. मे बी
Correct.
द सोशल मीडिया, द मार्केटिंग कंपनीज, सी वी
Yeah.
मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड मार्केटिंग प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन हेल्थ इंडस्ट्री टुडे. आज मैं चाहूँ मैं एक प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करके उसकी इस तरीके से मार्केटिंग कर सकती हूँ कि इसको खाने से आप पतले हो जाओगे. Eventually everyone will start selling it. So
Correct.
there is a set of certain food groups जो अभी current 5-6 साल खूब चलेंगे because the marketing has been done so
Wow.
much like that. और फिर वही
Hmm.
फूड ग्रुप को आप एलिमिनेट कर दोगे कि ये तो खराब है क्योंकि
हाँ.
आपको कुछ और लाना है.
Correct. Correct. Absolutely. Very true.
So to
Awesome.
answer, you should not have it daily, not at all.
Yeah, the maximum 2 to 3 days. That's what you recommended
Yes,
in a week.
in a week.
Okay, perfect. So when we talk about this avocado, so let's come into superfoods because now we really don't understand what is superfood, but we all talk about superfoods. So for mothers, especially new mommies who are juggling with young children or probably maybe 7-8 year old kids and stuff like that, what are some must-have you recommend and how they can include in their diet easily?
करेक्ट. सो देर इज अ ट्रेंड अभी जो न्यू मॉम्स बनते हैं, उनको इमीडिएटली होता है कि बस पतले हो जाओ बिकॉज दे फील स्टक, दे आर नॉट एंजॉइंग द मदरहुड. It's such a beautiful feeling, and I have a request using your portal that enjoy that motherhood. It's a huge transition. Don't just rush to fit back in those older clothes. You're sending an energy of pain to your child कि आपकी वजह से मेरे को बस अब I just want to be thin, I want to be thin, I want to be thin. I mean, then
Yeah.
why did you even get pregnant? I mean, weight comes with pregnancy. Take your time to
हाँ.
become healthy. Of course, don't sit on that weight. Lot of women just ignore it and her pregnancy में 10-10 किलो gain कर लेती हैं.
That's
But
even more pathetic.
the point is because it's such a huge transition, making a baby really alters your body. And especially with the age, when I was mom, I was hardly 26. But ladies are delivering at the age of 35, 40. The
Right?
bodies don't have the strength to go through that transition. Correct?
Yeah. Very true.
So,
Very.
so it is very important that you feed yourself with these few superfoods.
Hmm.
Let's go back to the time when we were there. गोंद के लड्डू, gum, that gum, because इतना आपका body stretch हुआ है, you need that gum to fix it back. So गोंद के लड्डू, milk,
Hmm.
if milk doesn't disturb you, दूध is very important. गोंद के लड्डू is important. भाड़ के भुने चने, sattu,
Wow.
very very important. 30 to 40 grams of chana zarur khao. Okay. then
Uh-huh.
then tofu or paneer, again good protein,
Hmm.
right? And
Hmm.
in terms of nuts, you must have handful of badam, अखरोट, these seeds. ये सब चीजें पहले हम मेवा के रूप में खाते ही थे. तिलगोजे used to be a thing in the winters for all
हाँ,
of us कि दादी नानी बैठ के तिलगोजे छील छील के खिला
छील
रहे,
छील के, हाँ हाँ पूरे,
right?
हाँ, very true.
So this particular phase, when you are recovering and where you also want to lose weight and you're feeding also, so you have to be mindful of what you're eating and just don't rush in the weight loss or just don't allow to gain weight. यार क्योंकि मैं तो अब अभी प्रेग्नेंट हो गई तो अब फीडिंग कर रही हूँ तो मैं वेट लॉस नहीं कर सकती.
हाँ,
Stay
correct.
active, go for walks, okay, and eat this set of these food groups which are very important. If you're a non-vegetarian, then eggs are very important. Chicken is good for you. Salmon is very important. But if you're a vegetarian, you need to have kala chana, flax seeds, omega 3. अभी I'm a vegetarian, so हम लोगों को तो omega 3 सिर्फ flax seed से मिल सकता है,
Correct.
right? Because otherwise the only other food group is fish. We don't eat that,
We don't,
right?
yeah.
And you have to listen to your body की weakness हो रहा है तो maybe I can have more of electrolytes and ORS and नारियल पानी. So there is a set of superfood which is also, Swati, different for every woman. So what may be working for you may not work for me, right?
Oh,
Because let's say there are two ladies. One lady delivered at the age of 38 and the other delivered at the age of 26. So ये दो different bodies की requirement to heal will be different.
Correct. Makes so much of sense. Yes. And we forget that. We say
We
पहला
forget
बच्चा
that.
हुआ था, and पहला बच्चा कब हुआ था? What was your initial weight? What was now
Yeah,
weight? What
yeah.
is the age?
So a lot of my friends who have delivered babies after 40 plus, okay, apart from the physical recovery, they are mentally at a very different pace. Imagine आप 42 पे अगर mother बन रहे हो, आपकी mental capacity to even hear the crying of the baby goes down.
Wow.
Because आपका खुद का पेरीमेनोपॉज शुरू हो रहा है.
Very
तो
true.
आपकी bandwidth to bring that child is so less कि आपको mental frustration हो रहा है, brain fogs हो रहे हैं, आप snap out कर रहे हो, right? So that is why it was always said ना to पहले शादी कर दो,
पहले शादी कर
they
दो,
were
पहले बच्चा
reasons. They were reasons. It's not, of course, life is changing and maybe marriage as a concept will not even remain. But if you're talking about being a mother, you have to be very sure that you do your prenatal care, postnatal care, especially at the age that you are as a woman. And men will never understand because they don't go through all this. Women body are very different.
Obviously, very true. They have never given birth to a baby. They have not seen that kind of stretching. They've not seen. Right? It's impossible for them to understand that kind
And
of a body.
estrogen levels, there is a whole set of food group that is very important for our estrogens to be there in the body.
Correct. Absolutely. I so agree. So now let's move to the fact that, okay, we spoke about the postpartum women. Now, what about planning meals feels like overwhelming, especially with the kids, like while they're growing up and all that? What are some simple like meal planning tips that can actually work with the moms?
Yeah. देखो इसमें मैं simple एक चीज बोलती हूँ. Let's say tomorrow you have to go for a meeting or there is a wedding function in the house 6 दिन का. We pre-plan our clothes. We do?
Yes,
We pre-plan our clothes, our makeup, our hairdo, our footwear. Why can't we pre-plan our meals? We pay so much attention on what is going outside on the body, but we're not paying attention and planning it what is going inside the body. So for all the women who are busy, make sure your meals are pre-planned for the week. Okay. Take out 20 minutes or maybe work with a health coach for a family. That's where we come in the picture, where we give them set menu that they don't have to use the brain. They know कि कल breakfast में ये बनेगा, lunch में ये, dinner में ये. So they know that their nourishment is taken care as a family where there are kids, there are senior citizens, they themselves are busy, working. So the basic tip and the simple tip is pre-plan. Let's go back to the place जब हम अपनी मम्मा के घर रहने जाते हैं तो हम ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहे हैं, मम्मी पूछ रही है लंच में क्या खाओगे, हम कह रहे हैं अभी ब्रेकफास्ट तो करने दो, लंच बाद में देख लेंगे. प्री प्लान. डोंट, जितना आप लास्ट मोमेंट पे छोड़ोगे उतना आप स्विगी एंड जोमेटो करोगे या रैंडम चीजें खाओगे, बिकॉज यू डोंट नो व्हाट यू सपोज टू ईट. So,
Hmm.
nourishment and fitness can be attained when you start pre-planning your meals.
Okay. Okay. Fair.
Okay.
So, see, yeah. Please go ahead. Yeah.
Okay. Now, the second thing is whenever you're planning your meals for the house, make sure that they are more directly from the kitchen. Eat food products which are without labels, less
Hmm.
labeled food products. So again, go back to the kitchen, khichdi, dal, roti, sabji. Keep it as simple, because anyways, itna social life sabka बढ़ चुका है. You end up eating so much outside.
Yeah.
Avoid ordering in food. You don't know what is the quality of that food. Okay,
Right.
and another very important thing is जितना warm and fresh खाना आप खा सकते हैं, which
Hmm.
is which is again very nourishing for the body. Avoid eating stale food. जितना हम leftovers खाएं, देखो इंडिया में तो एटलीस्ट leftovers नहीं खाने चाहिए. For people staying abroad, I understand they have to do batch cooking. They don't have time. They don't have people to give food to, or there are no animals to feed. At least in India, I always say avoid eating leftovers.
Hmm.
जितना फ्रेश आप खा सकते हो.
Hmm.
सो
लेकिन
दिस
मैं तो
वे.
पनिश करती हूँ बिकॉज
हाँ.
घर पे अगर बचा हुआ है तो व्हाट डू यू डू विद दोस लेफ्टओवर्स गिव इट टू समवन
No. So see, leftover means maybe one day, or maybe one day at the max. Okay.
हाँ हाँ
बट जैसे बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं ना, फ्रीजर में रख दिया, फिर
अच्छा
उसको.
गॉट इट हाँ हाँ फेयर दैट्स
सो
अ फेयर
आज रात का लेफ्ट ओवर आप ऑफकोर्स कल परसों दोपहर तक अगले 24 घंटे में कंज्यूम कर सकते हो. बट उससे ज्यादा बासी खाना खाने से देखो क्या होता है स्वाति, दैट इज वेयर इन्फ्लेमेशन, ब्लोटिंग, गैस बननी शुरू होती है, क्योंकि आप बहुत बासी खाना खा रहे हो. राइट.
हम्म
तो इसलिए उसको अवॉइड, उतना ही बनाओ ना जितना कंज्यूम हो जाए.
गॉट
once
इट
in a while it's okay, but avoid eating more of stale food.
Got it. Fair, fair. So three solid things which we should remember. So along with that, I also wanted to ask. I mean, this actually popped up when you were saying this. So when you say pre-planning, so in a lot of household, I've seen this major trauma. At least in my also, I had seen when I was in the initial years of my wedding. So okay, ये वाला खाना यही बंदा खाता है. तुम अपने लिए कुछ अलग बनाते हो.
Yeah.
So how do you manage कि it's good for child also, it's good for the mother also, it's good for the father also,
Hmm.
and it's not specific to me because if I am the cook, I
Hmm.
mean I'm cooking in my house, if I'm the cook, I would not want to cook three things.
Yeah.
And it's so cumbersome to understand what my body needs, what my child
Hmm.
needs, vis-a-vis what my husband needs. So
Hmm.
how do you manage that?
सी देखो, पहले के टाइम में ना ऐसा नहीं होता था. अभी तो कितने कम कम लोग रहते हैं. पहले के टाइम में एक घर में 15-15, 20-20 लोग रहते थे. राइट. व्हेन आई रिमेम्बर व्हेन आई वाज बोर्न, मेरे मेरे दादी के घर में 16 लोग थे. तो
Wow.
उसमें छोटे बच्चे से लेके 80 साल तक के लोग थे. राइट.
हाँ,
तो एक ही कुकर चढ़ता था, एंड सो एवरीबडी इज ईटिंग आइदर अ दाल चावल और अ रोटी सब्जी. तो पहले
correct.
इतनी वैरायटी होती भी नहीं थी और नखरे भी नहीं होते थे, और पहले इतने इंटॉलरेंस नहीं थे. उस टाइम पे किसने सुना था मिल्क इंटॉलरेंट, व्हीट
हाँ,
इंटॉलरेंट, ग्लूटन इंटॉलरेंट.
correct.
अभी
हाँ.
आप एक ही घर में देखो, चार टाइप के लोग हैं. जैसा आपने बोला, चारों के अलग अलग टेस्ट हैं, अलग अलग टाइम है. कोई 9 बजे नाश्ता कर रहा है, कोई 11 बजे कर रहा है, कोई नाश्ता नहीं कर रहा.
Correct.
So somewhere we all are also responsible for kind of creating this lifestyle,
Very
right?
true.
Because we as mothers maybe kind of pampered our kids more. कि कोई
Hmm.
बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. And we
Correct.
also kind of offered them variety. कि चलो
Hmm.
तुम्हें ये नहीं खाना, चलो तुम ये खा लो, या फिर तुम ये स्विगी कर लो.
Hmm.
करेक्ट. सो वन मस्ट ट्राई कि कम काम को फैलाओ, बिकॉज
Hmm.
जितना काम फैलेगा ऑफ कोर्स इट इज इम्पॉसिबल टू देन ऑल्सो मेंटेन द क्वालिटी ऑफ द फूड, नो मैटर आप कितने कुक और शेफ्स लगा लो घर में. सो
Yes.
आइडियली अगेन द पॉइंट इज कि filter in. Okay, lunch mein there is one meal getting prepped that everybody is having dal chawal or maybe some few extra items. And again, dinner is this. And then
Hmm.
breakfast mein maybe two items are getting cooked. Of course, if
Yes.
somebody has allergies and somebody has, some
That
intolerance, then you can't help it, because
correct.
lifestyles ऐसे हो गए हैं, food habits ऐसी हो गई हैं कि we have become intolerant to the basic food items that we have grown eating.
Yes.
राइट.
Absolutely.
सो
Yes.
आपका एग्जाम्पल कि अगर आप ब्रेकफास्ट बना रहे हो घर में और आप एक डाइट फॉलो कर रहे हो, आपको अलग है, हस्बैंड को अलग है, और
Hmm.
बच्चे को अलग है. तो आइडियली उसमें ये करा जाए कि बच्चे को एटलीस्ट, बिकॉज द चाइल्ड बॉडी स्टिल ग्रोइंग, कि जितना उसको सॉलिड खिला सको, मतलब डिप्राइव मत करो। जैसे आप मान लो ग्लूटेन फ्री कर रहे हो, ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ जनरली लोग ग्लूटेन फ्री इसलिए करते थे बिकॉज ऑफ स्किन इश्यूज, लेकिन कुछ लोगों का वेट लॉस हो गया तो ग्लूटेन फ्री एक डाइट बन गई।
हाँ
करेक्ट, ग्लूटेन वॉज बेसिकली इट्स अ गम, एंड वो स्पेसिफिकली स्किन के लिए या आपको ऑटोम्यून के लिए निकाला जाता है बॉडी से। तो वो करने से कुछ लोगों का वेट कम हुआ, दे स्टार्टेड डिक्लेयरिंग कि अरे ग्लूटेन फ्री करते ही वजन कम हो गया। तो मान लीजिए देयर इज वन पर्सन हु इज ग्लूटेन फ्री इन द हाउस,
Yeah.
ओके, एंड अदर इज लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंट, बट आप अपनी तरफ से कोशिश करो कि मैं अपने बच्चे को सारा खाना खिलाऊं ताकि उसकी बॉडी में इतनी क्षमता रहे कि वो सब चीजें पचा सके। दैट इज द आइडिया, नॉट कि अब तुम भी ग्लूटेन फ्री खा लो, अब तुम भी लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंट हो क्योंकि मेरा काम बढ़ रहा है किचन में, विच इज आई नो अ थिंग दैट हैपेंस, बट देन वी हैव टू फाइंड वेज ऑफ डूइंग इट कि चलो ये ब्रेकफास्ट का बना तो तुम ये लंच में रिपीट कर लो, नो समथिंग लाइक दिस। एंड अगेन डोंट ऑफर, से आई ऑलवेज से एज अ मदर, डोंट ऑफर टू मेनी वैरायटीज टू योर चाइल्ड। एक होता है कि टेस्ट बड्स इंक्रीज करना, बट ऑफरिंग टू मेनी वैरायटीज, द चाइल्ड नोस कि ऑल्टरनेट तो मिल ही जाएगा।
करेक्ट।
क्योंकि हमें क्या रहता है, बच्चा भूखा रह गया, कोई बच्चा भूखा नहीं रहता है। 5 साल के बाद कोई बच्चा भूखा नहीं रहता है, सब पेट भर लेते हैं। और अगर बच्चा भूखा सो भी गया कोई बात नहीं, डिटॉक्स हो गया, व्रत हो गया, अगले दिन उठ के खुद खाना मांगेगा।
I agree. This is completely my philosophy. I completely agree what you said.
Yeah.
Because Sonam, I have seen that with my kids. I've seen that with my son. So he's 6 right now. So when he was, I think 5 or 5.5, he came back from school and he said, he threw the plate like this. I don't want food, as if just pushing the food, not like throwing. But I got really upset because I hate that, because we do a prayer before having the food and all. And I got very upset. I said, you will not get food. You'll not get now. You'll not get dinner till the time you feel apologetic about it and you say sorry to the food. You'll not get food. Night around 8ish or something, koi mujhe khana dega?
Correct.
Because when you negated it, it's your responsibility. You ask for it. I will not give you. So we had dinner. We were packing dinner, and then he saw Didi, that Didi is also putting everything in the fridge. That's when he realized, "Arey, ye to kya mazak hai? They did not give me lunch. Now they did not give me dinner." And he asked for it. And that day, and now he's a 6.5. He's never done that with the food. He still prayers before the food is there, and he's thankful to the Lord that food has come on his plate and stuff like that. So that was a big realization that yes, kids ask for it, and wait for them to ask.
Yeah.
Why just have to overfeed them? That's not
absolutely. And we spoil our kids. We cannot blame the child. We are spoiling them. Half of the parenting is done at the house. We cannot blame the school, and we are the one who spoil. We pamper them the wrong way. देखो, एक मैं आपको बड़ी अच्छी एग्जांपल देती हूँ। हम लोग क्या करते हैं जब we talk about mother and kids, we reward them with food. Okay, you come first in the race, I'll get you a donut. You get 100 out of 100, you'll get Maggie on Sunday. This is such a wrong thing that, okay, food is a celebration in India, in our country, but you can't make it junk food a reward for achieving something academically.
Wow.
Junk food should be enjoyed as a family, but not put as a trophy कि तुमने अब अच्छे marks आए तो तुम्हें junk food मिलेगा. See, this is a very true thing that we all do.
True, very true. I've also done it. Now
I've also done it.
Yeah. Because I've done it with my kids. Even yesterday I have done it with Rebuff. That wow, you followed the routine for a week, you get an ice cream treat.
Yeah,
I did that.
And don't even call it a treat. Why cheat? It's junk. It's sugar. We eat it less. We eat it once in a while.
Right.
So subconsciously ना हमने देखो बहुत सारी ladies and mothers ना ऐसा बोलते हैं आज मैं cheat करने वाली हूँ. Why? It's happiness. It's sugar. Accept it. It's sugar. Like मैंने आपको बताया भी कॉल से पहले I had my chocos and milk. I wanted sugar. Right? So I was tired. I was too busy. I just wanted cold milk and some chocos. And me being a nutritionist, I have chocos in my house and we indulge as a family. But neither it is a reward for coming first. Neither it is a cheat to hide and eat and feel guilty. No. You want to eat, you eat. But balance it out.
Wow, wow,
Yeah.
that's amazing. That's amazing. So now let's talk about snacks since you just reminded me of chocos. When we talk about snacks,
Mm.
so because that's where many of us actually slip
Yeah.
because we are hungry and we
Yeah.
want that snacks. And
Yeah.
what are some of those healthy snack
Mm.
swaps or that is not that don't make us feel boring and we don't take too much of time on cooking? And what are
Mm.
those alternatives?
Okay. So to start off with snacks, very simple tip to everyone. Chips or French fries? You tell me.
I think French fries.
Perfect. Now why? Chips, a packet of chips is loaded with preservatives,
Hmm. Hmm.
fried and packed,
Hmm. Hmm.
salty. Okay?
Correct. Hmm.
And chips has an agent, just a kurkure, popcorn, chips. The more you eat it, the more you salivate to have it, the saliva generation. There is no satisfaction. Whereas if you have that one packet of French fries, चाहे वो घर में fresh बना है आलू से या market से आया है, you will feel content. It's made
Hmm.
from potato, quick deep fry. So
Ah.
smaller things, but they go a longer way. So when we
Yeah.
talk about snacking, one has to be smart. Okay, so maybe a toast with peanut butter or a toast maybe with green chutney or hummus. Okay,
Hmm.
handful of makhanas. Bhel
Hmm.
puri as an Indian snack is much better than having a samosa or a bread pakora patty. Patty
Hmm.
is the worst item to eat because layers and layers of maida goes into making that patty. बच्चे को फ्राइड खाना है ना आप लिटरली घर में पकौड़े फ्राई करके दे दो
Hmm.
पोर्शन थोड़े से दे दो ठीक है
Yeah. Hmm.
fruit chart is a wonderful thing to give to your child. Make a nice tasty fruit chart and I'll mix up it. So I'll tell you what I do. I love bhujia. Okay, so what we do is we put a lot of kheera, tomato, pyaz and lot of this chickpea together. Put maybe some ketchup, oregano or a bhelpuri masala and then put 4 spoons of bhujia.
Ah.
You are done with it and it is so tasty, so satisfying. You get a little crunch. इतना सारा सैलेड भी चला गया पेट में. My daughter loves it. कुछ
Ah.
नहीं है,
Ah.
निकालो फ्रिज से वो सब मिक्स करो. अब आप देख लो आपको नींबू चाट मसाला डालना है या थोड़ा सा ऑरिगेनो केचप डाल के खाना है. So
Right.
you know you have to be little smart and you have to plate up smartly. It's like you know when you see you dress up smartly, so you have to plate up
Hmm.
smartly. घर
Yeah.
में चिप्स के पैकेट मत रखो, कुरकुरे मत रखो. You know
Hmm.
they are such unhealthy foods and so much high in calorie.
Yeah. Very true. I
And
agree.
always have your fridge ready that the moment you open the fridge तुम्हें पता है तुम्हारा हाथ किस पे पड़ेगा. So always have some cut fruits, maybe cut cucumbers and all with some hummus or
Ah.
some beetroot dips. ताकि
Hmm.
उल्टी सीधी जगह दिमाग ही ना जाए. जब वो
Ah.
सामने चीज दिखी जाएगी ना तो आप वही खाओगे.
Wow, wow. Sonam, just tell me one thing. So I used to use a lot of cut fruits as soon as you said. But when I used to keep in the fridge, a lot of people told me that you're doing the wrong thing. You should not, put cut fruits. And then I stopped that. Because of that, I'm having all random stuff. So now I feel that what was the right thing I was doing, what was the wrong thing I was doing. So yeah.
Okay, now absolutely. And I was expecting that question to be honest. So yes, cut fruits या कट सैलेड अगर हम फ्रिज में रखते हैं तो वो ऑक्सीडाइज हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, या कट
Hmm.
एप्पल हमारा येलो हो जाता है. नाउ
Uh,
if you have to pick up one bad out of two bad things,
uh,
you keep them in containers which are airtight. They will not
oh,
get spoiled. When you know you have such a busy, like I'm a working mother, okay? I literally don't have time to tell my daughter, कि, okay, wait, I'm gonna cook and make it. I tell her, fridge में ये shelf one आपका है, shelf two मम्मा का है. So she knows shelf one में जितनी भी snacking items रखी हैं वो उसकी है. Go open the fridge, take out the fruit and have it. Right? So you pack them beforehand. Na? So
okay.
everybody does not have the luxury to eat fresh food, but it doesn't mean that you will end up eating junk.
That is
So
what will
if I
happen.
know my nature कि I'm too busy और अगर मुझे सामने 5 बजे कटा हुआ फ्रूट नहीं दिखा मैं पक्का जाके नमकीन की अलमारी खोल लूंगी. So
Correct.
what will I do? I'll prefer to have cut fruit in the fridge or
Hmm.
no sugar Greek yogurts. कि ग्रीक
Hmm.
योगर्ट निकाला और दही निकाला उसमें आप पहले से ही अपनी कुक दीदी से किसी से भी क्यूकम्बर बीटरूट जो भी फॉर्म पसंद है वो
Hmm.
शाम को स्नैकिंग करो. अब गर्मियां हैं so you can have this nice bowl of Greek yogurt with cut fruits. So
Correct.
rather than saying कि हम तो बिल्कुल ही फ्रेश खाएंगे वो क्योंकि नुकसान देगा, हम उसके चक्कर में मटरी नमक पा रहे हैं और ये सब खा रहे हैं.
And होता ही
क्योंकि
है, that's very
देखो,
true.
या सो लाइक आई एम अ जैन, तो हमारे बनियों में क्या होता है, तो घर के नमक पा रहे हैं, बहुत हेल्दी है, अरे वो भी तो फ्राइड है.
That is the biggest headache of my house. Banenge bhi, I will be cooking it also, and I'll have it also. Then I'll regret it also. So don't ask.
क्योंकि ये तो घर के नमक पा रहे हैं, तो घर की मटरी ना. आई थिंक व्हेन आई वर्क, द फनीस्ट थिंग आई गेट इज फ्रॉम माय क्लाइंट्स वो सीनियर सिटीजन, वो स्वीट 80 इयर्स ओल्ड लेडी. बेटा हमने बहुत हेल्दी खाया, हमने घर के छोले भटूरे खाए हैं, बट वो भी तो तेल में फ्राई हुए, पानी में थोड़ी फ्राई हुए.
Very
You know,
true. I agree.
so I think one needs to be smart between picking two bags. Make a wiser choice कि ठीक है, मेरा लाइफस्टाइल ऐसा है, मेरे को उसी वक्त तुरंत भूख लगती है तो मैं बस किचन में जाऊंगी, बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ मदर्स आर ऑल्सो डूइंग वर्क फ्रॉम होम. ओके, सो दे वुड जस्ट इमीडिएटली गो इन द किचन और जो दिखेगा खा लेंगे. या सबसे बुरी चीज है कि चाय कॉफी के साथ 4 बिस्किट खा लिए.
हाँ.
तो पहले से प्रेप करके रखो कि आपको पता है कि भाई फ्रिज खोलेंगे और ये निकलेगा इस तरीके से.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Got it. Fair. So, snacks swaps में the best thing you told about is one, you pre-prepare कि your mind should be ready that I am a busy mom and I am not available. So it's
Yeah.
better that you prepare something in the fridge. I love the idea when you said that, पहले से fridge खोल के तुम्हें पता exactly. And मेरे साथ कितनी बार हुआ है. And now when you're saying it, I can so much relate because I'm the one who opens the fridge the maximum because obviously the women of the house plus
Yes.
the person who cooks. So obviously I will open. And the
Yeah.
worst thing is I pick up something sweet only because
Yeah.
the inner urge will always pick up sweet. And then I realized that why I do it that. When I was taking fruits, then people said that okay, don't put fruits. Now start consuming
Yeah.
fruits. No,
Yeah.
this acid, this is that.
Yeah.
So now I will make a choice that
Yeah.
it's between the worst and bad. I will choose bad than worst.
Yeah. बिकॉज सच में आलस आता है. अब मुझे कोई बोलेगा तरबूज, मैं कभी नहीं खुद काटूंगी तरबूज और पपीता, मुझे इतना आलस आएगा ना. आई लव द फूड. आई टेल माई मेड तुम पहले काट के रख दो ताकि
हाँ.
मुझे पता है मैं फ्रिज खोलूंगी और मैं वही ठंडा ठंडा खाऊंगी.
करेक्ट और मन भी करता है मतलब
Yeah. बट बिकॉज वी ऑल आर सो बिजी वी गेट टायर्ड कि अरे कौन काटेगा, छोड़ो, चलो सोडा पी लो, जीरो कोक पी लो, ठंडा ठंडा क्वेस्ट करना है या नमकीन खा लो. बट अगेन जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल भुजिया खानी है, इट्स ओके. आप 80% उसको हेल्दी बनाओ,
हाँ
4 चम्मच 2 चम्मच डाल दो,
हाँ करेक्ट
रादर देन पूरा डब्बा लेके बैठ के हम यूं करके भुजिया खा रहे हैं, नॉट रियलाइजिंग.
हाँ नमक पारे भुजिया मट्ठी दिस इज समथिंग मतलब आई मीन
Which is all right, one should eat, but again one has to be smart.
you have to be smart in your choices. अगर मट्ठी खाना है तो make that papri chaat which I can think of.
Exactly, put some curd, put some salad, make it कि उसको आप mask कर रहे हो with more of fiber and vegetables rather than just having matri.
So then now like because papri chaat and all these things came into the picture, so food really impacts how we feel, right? So what are those mood boosting foods? I mean, just for low energy in those tired, overwhelming days, irritated days, but we want that mood boosting foods, especially for our parents. I mean, we have this session. So Ridhima is asking, Ridhima, this session is exclusively for parents, dear. If you want something on children, we'll plan another session, but this one is for parents, okay?
Yeah.
So no questions based on children.
Yeah. So see, for parents especially, and I'm taking an age bracket of 35 plus to 48 as a thing. See, because of these hectic lifestyles, we tend to get a lot of brain fogs, okay? And suddenly we are not able to think. So a lot of us want a cup of coffee or a cup of chai or a caffeine kick. Or a lot of people are also doing smoking, let's be honest. I get cases where parents are getting into this because there's a brain fog, okay? And it is very natural to get these brain fogs. Now, a couple of things which must be taken so that, you feel energetic is that, dark chocolate really helps in bringing that sugar level and rush level. Handful of nuts, walnuts, badam, kali kishmish, prunes, these things are really nice. Nariyal pani is very important. Also, let's say if you're talking about people in North India, the current weather, you must have electrolytes and ORS on regular basis, so that your electrolytes in the bodies are sustained. कई बारी एनर्जी इसलिए भी लो फील होती है कि सडनली द इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स हैव गॉन डाउन, तो
Yeah.
हमें सब वीकनेस लगने लगता है, मीठे का मन करता है, नमक का मन करता है, राइट? सो यू हैव टू कीप लिसनिंग टू योर बॉडी कि अगर मेरी एनर्जी कम हो रही है, लेट मी गो एंड हैव अ इलेक्ट्रॉल टुडे. या जो लोग बहुत जिमिंग करते हैं, स्वेटिंग करते हैं, हफ्ते में 3 या 4 दिन आप प्लीज मेक श्योर करो आप इलेक्ट्रॉल लो, नारियल पानी लो. बटर मिल्क प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. ओके, now let's say as a woman who's perimenopausal and suddenly बहुत weakness हो रहा है, मीठे का मन कर रहा है, a cup of sweet hot coffee is okay to have it. It really helps. थोड़ी सी मीठी hot coffee से एक तो sugar rush मिला, caffeine rush मिला, and you feel really good about it. Don't think about calories every time. You cannot eat food per se based on calories and proteins and carbs. Sometimes you feel like eating something, please go ahead and eat. So for example, something as tempting as golgappa. When you actually eat a mix of spices in your mouth, you feel a rush of energy. And जब हम अपने आप को इतना रिस्ट्रेन कर देते हैं, एकदम उबला हुआ खाना, सिर्फ नमक हल्दी का खा रहे हैं, नाप नाप के खा रहे हैं, you will feel deprived. Our bodies need all the spices. Of course, if you have acid reflux and you have those acidity thing, of course you will not take khatai and lal mirch.
Yeah.
But if you eat proper spices with lemon and chaat masala, you will see that your energy levels are better, because you're providing the body with the right salt and the sugar and the dhania powder and everything. अभी सब रात को CCF पानी तो पीना चाहते हैं, हम धनिया सौंफ जीरे का पानी पियेंगे, लेकिन खाने में नहीं डालना है, खाना मुबला हुआ खाएंगे.
हाँ, correct. हाँ.
So look at the food items that you're eating. That are you eating too strict? Are you eating too deprived? Then you will definitely encounter these downfalls and low energy patterns. Okay, or are you too? Is your work too demanding physically? Which means सुबह there are people जो नोएडा से गुड़गांव आ रहे हैं मेट्रो में, फिर रात को 9 बजे 11 बजे घर पहुंच रहे हैं, सुबह का नाश्ता करा हुआ, दिन भर बस चाय चल रही है. Such hectic lifestyles you have. Then you have to really work around those parameters, and that's where multivitamins are also very important. In India, sadly, people don't pay attention to multivitamins. अगर मैं अपने टाइम पे जाऊं तो हमारे तो कभी ब्लड टेस्ट होते ही नहीं थे. अब मतलब वो कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं था, ये था कि पैसे वेस्ट हो जाएंगे, कौन ब्लड टेस्ट कराता है. और अगर ब्लड टेस्ट में कुछ नहीं निकला तो सबसे पहला आता है पैसे वेस्ट हो गए देखो. So blood tests are very important. Annual blood tests are very important. You cannot ignore them, because इतनी सारी चीजें हमारी बॉडी की मशीन के अंदर हो रही होती है कि हमें पता ही नहीं होता है कि कहाँ पे क्या कम हो गया है. फिर आप उसको सिर्फ खाना खाने से ठीक नहीं कर सकते. You need that external vitamin or that support of maybe, चाहे वो आयुर्वेदा हो, since I'm an Ayurvedic practitioner, तो चाहे वो आप आयुर्वेदा के फॉर्म से लो या आप डॉक्टर प्रिस्क्राइब कर रहा है वो लो. It has to be there.
Got it. Fair. Very fair. So now like the gut health is everywhere on social media. So how do we actually deal with this probiotics, probiotics, and should really mom care? I mean,
yeah. तो आप मुझे बात बताओ. I remember when I was in school, तो हम ऐसा बोलते थे मेरी gut feeling ये कह रही है. तो पहले तो gut को इंट्यूशन बोलते थे.
हाँ.
और वो गट हमारी या तो पेट से आती थी कि मुझे पेट से इंट्यूशन हो रही है, या दिमाग से आती थी, राइट? कि तो अभी रिसेंटली दिस होल गट हैज बिकम अ थिंग. ओके, चाहे वो सेलिब्रिटीज ने करा या सोशल मीडिया ने करा या प्रोडक्ट जिन्होंने लॉन्च करे, ठीक है?
करेक्ट.
नाउ एज आई सेड कि लाइफस्टाइल ऐसा हो गया है. दिस मॉर्निंग ओनली आई वाज थिंकिंग कि इफ आई गो बैक, देयर वाज नथिंग कॉल्ड मिल्क इंटॉलरेंस, व्हीट इंटॉलरेंस, कुछ भी नहीं था, सब खाते थे हम, राइट? तो अभी लाइफस्टाइल ऐसा हो गया. एंड ऑल्सो आई थिंक द प्योरिटी ऑफ द फूड प्रोडक्ट हैव ऑल्सो गॉन सो लेस. आई थिंक जो वो अच्छी चीजें हैं वो सारी एक्सपोर्ट हो जाती है, शायद हम लोग को मिलता ही नहीं है दैट प्योर एग्रीकल्चर ग्रोन फूड. So yes, the issue of gut has gone high, which is IBS, IBD, Crohn's, gastric, जितने नाम ले लो, बहुत सारी चीजें हमारी कोर या गट में डिस्टर्ब हो गई.
करेक्ट.
तो The role of probiotic and prebiotic plays a very important role, which basically means कि आप अपने पेट में गुड बैक्टीरिया की जनरेशन बढ़ा रहे हो, ताकि जो मेरे पेट में गड़बड़ हुआ वो नेचुरली ठीक हो जाए, मुझे दवाइयां ना खानी पड़े. नाउ
Yes.
हाउ डू आई डू दिस प्रोबायोटिक एंड प्रीबायोटिक? देखो,
Hmm.
पहले के टाइम में छाछ, अंबिका पानी, अचार, पापड़, किमची, ये सारे हमारे प्रोबायोटिक एंड प्रीबायोटिक थे.
Hmm.
हम घर जाते थे, हमें स्कूल से जाके अंबिका पानी मिल रहा है, रॉ मैंगो वाटर, छाछ पी रहे हैं, अचार खा रहे हैं, पापड़ खा रहे हैं, राइट? तो ये सारे प्रोबायोटिक्स एंड प्रीबायोटिक्स की कैटेगरी में आते हैं, जो लिटरली हमें खाने. अचार को अचार की तरह खाओ, सब्जी की तरह नहीं खाओ, पापड़ की तरह खाओ. बट इन टर्म्स ऑफ medication, if I am working with a lot of clients around, whether they are male or female, who are dealing with gut issues and they are not overweight, but they have gut issues, multiple rounds of washrooms, maybe farting, smelly tummy, bloating, could be anything. So when we give them proper probiotic and prebiotics, they see tremendous gains, क्योंकि हमने अब आपके gut का बैक्टीरिया जनरेशन ठीक कर दिया. सी, इट इज लाइक आप कितनी भी महंगी सब्जी ले आओ, आपने कितने भी अच्छे नॉन स्टिक में उसको पका लिया, लेकिन अगर आपके पेट में क्षमता ही नहीं है उसको पचाने की, तो क्या करोगे उस सब्जी का? तो प्रीबायोटिक्स
Hmm.
एंड प्रोबायोटिक्स एक तो नेचुरल फॉर्म में होते हैं, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, छाछ हो गया, दही चीनी हो गया, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द केस टू केस. ठीक है, कि
Yeah.
किसको
Yeah.
हमें कौन सा देना है. कई लोगों को हम याकुत भी देते हैं, या टू द एक्सटेंट बहुत खराब केस होता है तो हम एंड्रोजर्मिया भी देते हैं फॉर 5 days, या इकोनॉम. देयर आर मल्टीपल मेडिकल प्रोबायोटिक्स दैट वी गिव. But I would
Yeah.
again say, don't buy what social media is selling. Those are not medically approved. Those are big marketing companies who are just selling anything. मतलब कई बार
Yeah.
तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है, यार मैं खरीद के देखूं कितना अच्छा लग रहा है, मे बी इट रियली वर्क्स, बट डोंट फॉल फॉर द ट्रैप. ओके.
हाँ. हाँ.
And again, so when you take these probiotics and prebiotics, you will see the difference कि मेरी पेट की digestion क्षमता वापस आ गई है. Also, Swati, because of the increased stress in our lives, especially
Hmm.
women. So
Yeah.
let's say work stress हो गया, relationship stress, financial stress, family stress, जो भी stress है. When we as women are stressful from here, maybe we are not sleeping enough, or maybe we are constipated, or maybe we are just lost.
Yeah.
वो स्ट्रेस से मेरा ये गट डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा. माई गट इज डायरेक्टली को रिलेटेड टू माई मेंटल हेल्थ. So let's say
Yeah.
when I was mentally disturbed in some time, I could see my gut is misbehaving. But when I
Oh.
am calm here, जब मेरे यहाँ पे स्थिरता है, तो मेरे पेट में भी स्थिरता रहेगी. So it
Wow.
cannot be like कि मैं अपनी mental health journey को अभी हैंडल कर रही हूँ, तो मैं अपनी फिजिकल हेल्थ जर्नी को हैंडल नहीं करूंगी. आप
Hmm.
आइसोलेट नहीं कर सकते, ये दोनों कोरिलेटेड फॉर्म में चलते हैं.
Hmm.
So
It's
every
so
time when somebody
good.
comes to me saying we have a gut issue, I always ask them, are you going through some stress, or is there any identified mental disturbance? And 98% times they have answer.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Very true. Because when we are thinking about something while eating, it happens with me a lot of times. Because obviously, I have a very, very crazy work schedule. I'm working almost every day,
Yeah,
every time, every minute. So while eating, I would probably think about what can I do next. So while
exactly.
I do that, and fatak se mujhe dhaska laga. I did not even speak a word. I did not do anything. But it suddenly there was something, and I felt जैसे खाना अटक गया. I mean, it just did not go to my proper digestive system. And then I realized हुआ क्या था यार. मतलब there's nothing which I did. I was not talking. I was not even on my phone, because we have a strict rule, not no phone on the table. So there was
Very
nothing.
nice.
There was no distraction. Nothing at all. But it was just this. My brain was continuously functioning on something else, and it was not focusing on food.
Yeah. So that body was telling you, listen, focus on food.
हाँ. Now I know why. Because since yesterday Mohit is saying कुछ test कराना पड़ेगा, कुछ ये होना पड़ेगा, because it Daska was so severe that for 10 minutes I just couldn't settle myself. My
Yes,
eyes are watering.
Swati, हो सकता है कि there could be some other reason also, because I know you're a happy person, right? But yes, sometimes we are overtired, we're overthinking, and sometimes, see, again, our bodies are such beautiful machines. इतनी सारे उसमें पुर्जे हैं कि हमें नहीं पता कि क्या चीज किस पे इफेक्ट कर रही है. फिर हम
Yeah.
अपने आईफोन्स को कितने प्यार से रखते हैं, और ये तो छोटे 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 छोटे. अरे हमारी बॉडी में इतनी सारे
uh,
मैकेनिक्स है ना कि हमें नहीं पता है, सो वी नीड टू रियली टेक केयर ऑफ आवर बॉडी.
yeah, very true, very true. I agree. नहीं नहीं वो तो है ही. So let's move to now supplements. Since you mentioned about
Yeah.
the supplements on all that, so do all women or all moms need iron, omega 3 and D3 and all that? I mean,
Yeah.
how do you know
Yeah.
if we are like? How do we know
Hmm.
that if we are deficient,
Hmm.
or is there?
Hmm.
I mean, is there any way,
Yeah.
or is food ever enough? Like,
Hmm.
what is it?
या सो स्वाति, सिंपल चीज है कि एक तो एनुअल ब्लड चेक्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. साल में एक बार ही ब्लड रिपोर्ट्स कराए, टॉप टू
Yes.
बॉटम सारे. आफ्टर 35 कंपल्सरी, इन पेरीमेनोपॉज और आफ्टर 40 100% यू हैव टू गेट देम वंस अ ईयर. बिकॉज आज की डेट में, यू नो, वी वर डिस्कसिंग विद द गायनोकोलॉजिस्ट, पेरीमेनोपॉज इज हिटिंग एज अर्ली एज 40-41. The ovaries are getting dried at the age of 40-41, right? So now we have less cases of IVF treatments in 40, but more cases of perimenopause. Okay.
My.
So if you see, the young kids, girls are also getting their puberty way earlier than what we used to
Very,
get.
very early.
है ना?
Very true.
तो
Yes.
साइकिल तो उसी टाइम पे खत्म हो जाएगा ना. अभी अगर अगर आज फोर्थ क्लास के बच्चे प्यूबर्टी हिट कर रहे हैं वर्सेस व्हेन वी वर इन 7th and 8th क्लास, तो वो 6 years पेरीमेनोपॉज भी जल्दी आ गया. सो टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चन, after 40, 100% you need to take support of some supplements. Of course, blood work study is very important. Get your blood works done once a year and see what are your iron, hemoglobin, vitamin D, B12, HbA1c, and your period cycle. And accordingly, you will have to take the support of supplements. Only food cannot suffice. See, because every time we bleed, we lose so much blood. ओके. नाउ इफ आई से कि अब मैं 2 किलो पालक खा लूं और 2 किलो अनार खा लूं 4 दिन, इट विल नॉट ब्रिंग माई ब्लड बैक अगेन. सो आई
Yeah.
नीड दैट सपोर्ट. एंड ऑल्सो देखो, पहले के टाइम में क्यों बोला जाता था कि जब आप डाउन होते हो तो रसोई में मत पैर रखो, बिकॉज यूनिवर्स वांटेड यू टू रेस्ट, नॉट दैट वी आर, वो क्या बोलते हैं ना कि डर्टी,
गंदे हो
या
गए,
आप,
दो दिन
हाँ
में हो.
मतलब आप अछूत हो, वट एवर, आई डोंट नो. आई मीन, yeah, you can't touch. It is
हाँ.
because the universe, जो nature है, जो ब्रह्मांड है, वो चाहता है कि आप रेस्ट करो. आपको इतना ब्लीडिंग हो रहा है, बट उस
हाँ.
चीज को अलग तरीके से पोर्ट्रे किया साइंट.
हाँ.
so so the support of supplement is very important, and you will see a drastic change once you start taking them. So
Wow.
एक लेडी के लिए एक्चुअली HbA1c तो बोथ जेंडर्स के लिए सबसे बड़ा फैक्टर है टू सी हाउ योर बॉडी इज फंक्शनिंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स, इन टर्म्स ऑफ कन्वर्टिंग द शुगर लेवल्स. For a woman, HbA1c and your period cycle, they completely tell you कि where exactly are you, कि हर 28 दिन में periods आ रहे हैं, the color of your periods, the, you know, how are you PMSing. Like, I would never PMS all my life, but from last 1 year, since I've touched 40, I PMS so badly. I get pains. I've never got pains in my life. So I know my body is changing. I know there is some deficiency happening. So get your blood test done. Pick up multivitamins which suit you, or of course not suit you, but you speak to your doctor. So I personally recommend some really good multivitamins which are based on age. You know, there is a multivitamin for 40 year, 50 years, 70 year, and you don't have to fall sick to consume them. You know, it's like कि मेरे को तो कुछ जरूरत ही नहीं है, मैं क्यों लूं? Fine, but yes, after 42, you will have to do courses for 3 months, leave it, 3 months, leave it, and you will see the difference that you're aging better. Your mental health is better. You know, let's say बहुत सारे लोग सोते नहीं है, women सोती नहीं है सिर्फ 5 घंटे 6 घंटे, but as simple as something like magnesium or brahmi or ashwagandha, they can really change the game, and they have no side effects. They've no, it's just like eating something जो आप regular खा रहे हो, जो आपको वैसे खाने में नहीं मिलेगा.
Wow. Wow.
You know, so for example, I'll tell you, I have a crazy work life, but I would still pop in brahmi or ashwagandha or magnesium twice or thrice a week, so that I know my mental calm is maintained and I'm able to function. So it's not that I'm taking support of any medicine. It's just it's a supplement. It's just like adding up makeup to my face.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So very, very, very important. Unfortunately, हमारी country में अभी भी बहुत कम awareness है. आधे लोग तो मार्केटिंग की तरह बेच रहे हैं अपने ब्रांड्स को, कि आई वुड नॉट लाइक टू नेम बिकॉज इट्स अ सोशल प्लेटफॉर्म, बट बहुत सारी कंपनीज अपनी ब्रांड्स को बस बेच रही हैं कि आप
Mm.
ले लो। आपको याद
Yeah.
है पहले सिर्फ एक एमवे आता था, एमवे A to Z, बस एक वो
हाँ,
आता था। अभी
correct.
मार्केट भर गया है, सो इट्स
हाँ,
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू पिक अप द
हाँ,
राइट वन, नॉट
yeah,
बस जो सब ले रहे हैं या जो सोशल मीडिया बेच रहा है। जिस
हाँ,
चीज का सबसे ज्यादा ऐड आ रहा है ना, आप समझ लो वो चीज बिक नहीं रही है, इसीलिए उसका ज्यादा ऐड आ रहा है, क्योंकि
हाँ।
मार्केटिंग करने पे
Yes,
लगे हुए हैं वो।
हाँ, ये फैक्ट है क्योंकि मेरे को इतना ऐड देख के I have stopped. I don't take any supplements. Now, after listening to you, I realized that I have to sit back and I have to think that, okay, I also need it probably. My body also needs it probably. That's why there are times
सी
when they are.
देखो, एज अ मैन दे आर नॉट डिक्लाइनिंग, दे आर गेटिंग ओल्ड, उनके टेस्टोस्टेरोन्स नहीं खत्म होते टिल द टाइम दे आर 90, बट मी एंड यू, अब
Hmm,
हमारे एस्ट्रोजेंस कम होने लगे हैं, हमारा हेमोग्लोबिन कम हो रहा है, हमारा आयरन कम हो रहा है। तो ये चीजें अब एजिंग के लिए, ताकि हमारे में स्ट्रेंथ रहे,
hmm,
बहुत जरूरी है।
yeah.
Right? Why women face hot flush or depression when they're 48? Because आपके अंदर की सारी ऊर्जा तो खत्म हो गई ना, तो
हाँ,
उसको सपोर्ट करने के लिए हमें सप्लीमेंट्स चाहिए, ना कि डिप्रेशन का टैग के आप तो डिप्रेशन में चले गए।
हाँ, हाँ। और बोलने लगते लोग मतलब people
Of
start
course,
saying that,
yeah.
yeah.
For simple example, Swati, a lot of women they end up they cry without reason. They feel
Hmm,
anxious. I'm
yeah,
talking somewhere between 42 to 48, 50. एंड
I'm
सडनली
sure.
they get anxious, रोना आ रहा है, चेस्ट में घबराहट हो रही है, एंग्जाइटी हो रही है, बट दे आर स्टिल वर्किंग लेफ्ट राइट सेंटर, चाहे जॉब कर रहे हैं, घर का काम, बट इट कैन बी हैंडल्ड विद सपोर्ट ऑफ सर्टन सप्लीमेंट्स। दैट्स
Wow.
इट, बिकॉज आपकी बॉडी में एस्ट्रोजन घट रहा है, आयरन घट रहा है, एंड ओके सो हम लेडीज 28 के 28 दिन अलग तरीके से फंक्शन करती हैं, मेंटली एंड फिजिकली, क्योंकि हमारे एस्ट्रोजन लेवल्स चेंज होते हैं हर 28 दिन में। एक
Wow.
एक आदमी मैन का टेस्टोस्टेरोन हमेशा सेम रहता है। सो यू नो, यू डोंट हैव टू जस्टिफाई व्हाई टुडे यू आर फीलिंग एंग्री और व्हाई टुडे यू आर फीलिंग एक्स्ट्रा हैप्पी। इट इज
Yeah.
द बॉडी, बिकॉज बॉडी 28 के 28 दिन अलग तरीके से फंक्शन करती है, और वो 28 के 28 दिन अलग तरीके से खाने का पोर्शन मांगती है। तो व्हेन समबडी सेज हम डाइट कर रहे हैं, हम 30 ग्राम्स प्रोटीन खा रहे हैं, 10 ग्राम्स, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल, बिकॉज समडे मे बी योर बॉडी नीड्स मोर ऑफ कार्ब्स एंड
हाँ,
समडे योर बॉडी इज वेरी ओके डूइंग जस्ट अ फ्रूट डिटॉक्स। So
हाँ.
listen to your body.
I understand the drinking, ting ting, whatever. I mean,
Yeah,
you have to understand your body a lot.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah, that makes so much of sense. So that I have loads of questions, but I think we'll have to wrap up
Yeah,
somewhere.
I was saying that's why we can talk endlessly on this. Yeah.
So I am sure we can, because obviously this is a topic which is close to my heart as well. I need to know about my body. I've not yet touched 40, but I'm about to. So every second day people start saying that once you're 40 then you'll realize.
Yeah,
So I'm like, yeah, I'm not yet. So I always console myself, I'm still not 40. I'm still, everything is still okay. So but yes, obviously I still have to manage my supplements. Still have to take care
absolutely.
of my body and all that. So yeah, that's another ball game altogether in my mind, which I have to make sure that I do it. So that finishes our this round of questionnaire. But I have a small rapid fire for you, if you don't
Okay.
mind. Few 5 questions. So one kitchen ingredient that is underrated but is powerful.
One kitchen. Okay. Ginger.
Okay. Why did you say so? Ginger?
Oh, ginger. Ginger. Okay. So ginger is something which is anti-inflammatory, mood booster, good for digestion. And Indian kitchen में अदरक की चाय, अदरक लहसुन का पेस्ट, हर जगह अदरक यूज होती है, हमें उसके बेनिफिट्स ही नहीं पता है। एंड
हाँ.
अदरक इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ड्राई जिंजर सॉल्ट में डलती है, सो इट इज लाइक अ मेडिसिन इन आवर किचन।
Oh, wow, lovely. So, breakfast or dinner, which one you cannot just skip?
Breakfast is preferable, should not be skipped.
Eat like a king. So, yeah, I could.
Yes, yeah, breakfast should be preferred. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. A food myth you wish would disappear forever.
कम खाने से पतले होते हैं।
Ah, really? मुझे तो सच में लगता था कम खाने से पतले होते हैं। मतलब, I mean, I always felt that don't fill it up.
Yeah.
Have less till the time your body says, okay, keep 20% empty.
Yeah, which is how it should be. But see, I was always an overweight child. I was always an overweight child, and So I've been through a lot of body shaming, and that time body shaming जैसा कोई word ही नहीं होता था. And why I chose food and nutrition as my work is because I was in a love and hate relationship with food. I've overeaten, I've undereaten, I've done crazy things without any guidance. And you know, I reached a point when I was feeling lost. Apart from my academic success, I was in corporate, but then I said this is not going to function, right? So and that's why for me this work is very passionate. It's just not work. I understand when any single person comes to me, I know what they're going through, why they are here, the story behind their head. So
हाँ
कम खाने से पतले नहीं होते. जब भी हम अपने आप को डाइट पे एनरोल करते हैं, हमें लगता है डर कि कल से हमारी डाइट शुरू हो जाएगी, हमारा खाना बंद हो जाएगा. ये
हाँ
मिथ तोड़ना है.
That's a fact. That I agree. Fair. So, what's your go-to 5-minute healthy meal?
खिचड़ी.
Ah, nice.
I love खिचड़ी.
Oh, lovely. So, if a mom has just 30 seconds to eat something healthy, what should she grab?
Just 30 seconds. Grab an apple or grab a bowl of makhana with some bharka buna chana and a naril pani. Quick. And last could be maybe a roti and a sabji wrap if that's probably available.
Oh,
So yeah,
lovely, lovely.
yeah,
All the ideas are fantastic. So perfect. We are done. That was so much fun and
absolutely.
that was so insightful. I think I should have grabbed a pen and paper before starting the session because I also got so many ideas. I will have to actually watch this in 1.5x speed to understand okay what went. So thank you so much, Sonam. It was seriously power packed. It was very intentional. It was very nice. I felt that I know a lot of things, but I realized that there's world to go in this. It is not something which we are all. I am also aware where I read a lot.
Yeah.
I'm an voracious reader about food, about things, and all that. But thank you so much. It was very, 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 very mindful, very intentional, very powerful, and I think we have a lot of takeaways today. So to all the moms who are watching, if you have obviously taken notes, awesome, you've done great. But if you've not, the best thing you can do it. I'm uploading it on YouTube. Please watch it in 1.5x speed so that you get what all exactly we have spoken about, what Sonam has actually given us those power pills for diet. That is one. Secondly, go ahead and connect with Sonam in case you're looking for something, some diet related things. Sonam, if you could also tell us of what exactly and how exactly can you help our viewers. So in case somebody wants to connect with you, you help in diet planning and all that also, right?
Absolutely. I work hand to hand holding in a very customized manner from as old as 5 year old child to as beautiful as 90-year-old person. And I work not only for weight loss, but any sort of medical condition, whether it is sugar reversal, PCOD, PCOS, weight loss, anything and everything. So you can get in touch with me through social media. I'm sure Swati will put my details
Yes, I
and
will.
we can do one-to-one consultation. And that's how I work.
Wow, wow. So I hope that is clear because I will put all details of Sonam so that you can actually get in touch with her if you have any specific needs. The data goes nowhere because I have known her for like last 15 years, as I mentioned. So whatever your query is or anything is, if you want to have a consultation, please go ahead and do that because you matter, your health matters, and your plate matters, and that's a fact. So that is that's the end thing which I want to say today. Thank you so much for joining in, and thank you so much, Sonam,
Thank
for
you. It was lovely. It was so nice. So nice. You have to meet me in person now. It's been a while.
absolutely, absolutely. I have to first
Yeah,
before anybody else. I have to book a consultation. I
absolutely.
have to take a chart. I was like, no, I will start. बहुत हो गया because I have been procrastinating my health, so I'd have to now stop it, and
Yeah,
I'll have to get in touch with you for sure.
absolutely.
So
Anytime.
thank you
Thank
everyone. Thank
you.
you so
Thank you so much. It was
much.
lovely.
Same here. It was awesome. Thank you everyone, and see you in the next Wisdom Waves. Take
Okay.
care. Bye bye. Happy parenting. Love you all.